we are reminded that one of the important truth is that a school success is the result of shared leadership and collective effort. As a teacher leader, I stand before you not to boast of what we have achieved, but to celebrate what we have built together. A school community that learns, grows, and dreams as one. SBM is not just about forms, indicators, or rating. It is about people working together hand in hand to make education responsive, inclusive, and meaningful. This assessment or technical assistance given to us for the principal challenge us to look deeper beyond compliance and ask ourselves, are our programs truly improve learning? Are our decisions empowering both the teachers and the learners? Are we growing together as one school community with a shared purpose? To my fellow teachers, we are the heart of the system. Every lesson plan we design, every learner we inspire, and every initiative we lead is a living proof of SBM in action. To our parents and stakeholders, your trust fuels our drive to do better. To our learners, you are the reason we give our best every single day. So as a challenge to everyone, let us continue to strengthen our collaboration, to innovate and to lead with compassion. Let us make SBM not just a requirement to be passed, but a culture of excellence to be lived every day. Together, we can turn this SBM assessment and technical assistance into a celebration of our shared commitment to provide quality, accessible, and empowering education for all. Thank you and have a blessed day.